Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle, boys and girls, is a binary puzzle. In today's newspaper on Monday, November the 4th, 2024. And I've already solved 2 regular puzzles, the 3 stars and the 4 star Sudoku. So 1 puzzle is left, the binary puzzle. And by the way, in this newspaper we have no extra puzzles, no additional, so only these 3 regular puzzles. News of today, well, almost 400 days ago, yeah, exactly 394 days ago, another war started, not in Ukraine, but in Israel against Hamas, and the war is still going on, yeah, those poor people in Gaza, yeah, those Israeli's army, yeah, I don't understand. I really don't understand. And they still going on with the war, yeah. Binary puzzle number 9532. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. 26. This one is 26 printed digits. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count the boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's a 10 by 10 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 5 ones and 5 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Double ones, double ones, between 2 O's comes in 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones, so there's the O's. Double ones, double O's, here one, there one, double O's, here one, there one, double O's, here one, there one, double ones, double ones, double O's, here one, there one, double O's, here one, there one, double O's, here one, there one, double ones, double ones, double ones, double O's, here one, there one, double ones, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are ones. Between the O's comes in 1. Between the ones comes in O. Then double ones, between the O's comes in 1. Double ones, well, and now double O's, here one, there one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are ones, double ones, double O's, here one, there one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones, so the rest are O's. And I know between a 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order, so we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O, fifth O, so that box will be a 1 then. Let me see. 1, 2, 3. O and a 1, O and a 1. The 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Here, O and a 1, O and a 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. O and a 1. I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order, so we have the first one, second one, third one, fourth one, fifth one, so that box should be an O. Double O's, here one, there one, double O's, here one, there one, between 2 ones comes an O, double O's, here one, there one, double ones, here no, there no, between 2 O's comes in 1, double ones, here no, there no, double ones, here no, there no, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones, so the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones, so the rest are O's, double O's, here one, there one. Between the O's comes in 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones, so the rest are O's, double O's, here one, there one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones, so the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are ones. Between the ones comes an O, between the O's comes in 1, between the ones comes an O. Now I need to compare. Yeah. Between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. Same for here, between a 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes between. There's always an O and a 1 there, but they do not know in which order. Same for here, O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between. There's always an O and a 1 there. Here also O and a 1. Here also O and a 1. O and a 1. O and a 1, yeah. Alright. So I need to compare. Let me see. Question is do we need to compare the rows or the columns? Do we have a double O, double 1 here? 1 O O, yeah. This one, the second row, and this row. Alright. 0 0 1 1 0 0 0 0 1 1 empty box 0 0 1 1 1 1. So we need to switch these two digits. We have 1 here, this should be an O. We have O here, this should be a 1. Double O's, here 1, there 1. Double ones, here no, there no. Between the O's comes an 1. Double ones, here no, there no. Between the ones comes an O, between the O's comes an 1. Finished in 6 minutes. Well, we solve it again with only one time comparing. And I like this one, yes I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And we'll meet again tomorrow. So have a great and fantastic Monday. Tomorrow it's election day, presidential election day in the US. So thank you for watching and see you tomorrow. Bye bye.